Hey you guys, welcome to Jeep Sheep TV. This month is Subscriber Appreciation Month, which means two big things. One, I'm going to try and do daily videos of just whatever's going on here to keep you guys informed. And two, we're giving away a bunch of stuff because we appreciate you, the subscriber. Why are we doing a Subscriber Appreciation Month? You're probably wondering. Well, we are rounding the corner to 900 subscribers, and we can't have 900 subscribers without, and you guessed it, subscribers. That is you. You're the subscriber. So, we're appreciating you. Right? Anyway, today's episode, we're just going to be talking about something I'm working on today, which is this Ford Focus, because it's not running. After a couple different trials of a few things that were significantly more difficult to diagnose, I think it's the battery. And we're going to find out today if it is, and it's going to make me feel really silly. The second thing is, we're giving away a Dremel soldering iron thing. I love this thing, and so I thought I'd give it away. This whole month, we're going to be giving away different tools and stuff that we find neat or useful, and then you can have them in a contest type format. So I'm going to explain that at the end of this video, but first we're going to see if I can make this guy run and if it really is something as simple as the battery. This is a Ford Focus. That's the battery. We're going to try to figure out how to take it off, and then we're going to see if the one the junkyard gave me is the right one. So I recently did something kind of interesting. I don't know where I'm at in the frame. I actually organized my tools for once again. It's been a while. But I did something different this time. You'll see here I went in and I marked on the bottom where each socket goes, but you also might be able to notice that they're not segregated, standard dimetric. Because I said, you know what? Half the time I just grab them and see if they fit anyway without knowing what they are. So I might as well just have them in absolute order and put standard dimetric on the same line. So I'm going to run with this for a while, and if I like it, I recommend it. If I don't like it, you'll probably hear me complain about it in a later video. So much to my surprise, being a Jeep fanatic and all, the Focus is not terribly hard to work on. I mean, it is a sedan, so you have to lift it off the ground for oil changes, which I think is insane. But overall, it's very well designed as far as mechanic friendliness. So that is kind of cool if you have a Focus. This is 2012 too, so it's a new car. I assume I can just do it this way. Never done this before. Batteries that are full of liquid probably shouldn't be all tipped around like that, but what are you gonna do? So look at this. This is kind of weird. We've got a part that connects to the battery. We got this thing here. I don't know what it says. And it's got two wires that go to it. So, some kind of sensing mechanism telling you if the battery's bad. Which concerns me, because I feel like it would have told me the battery was bad. Anyway. We're having fun. I've got this new battery. Looks like this. And this one's fancy because it's got a handle on it, and it's from the junkyard, so it's $45, which is speaking my language. So, if you're ever going to go and get a job at an auto parts store, pay attention to this, because this is how you do a battery on a Ford Focus. And you'll probably be doing a lot of them, because Ford Focuses are common and batteries go bad. So, you're welcome for that. This guy was previously on top of here, and this battery box was all connected. I disconnected it because I was having troubles getting the battery in and out. Just so you know. Alright, back at it. Ta-da! Heavy objects, tight spaces. Great opportunity to pinch your fingers. So far, I've avoided that. Alright, don't forget that wire. Although I have no idea what it does, it appears important. Alright, you guys, brand new battery from the junkyard. See what happens. Boy, that's a good thing, but it makes me feel really dumb. Don't you just love issues like this where you tried all the expensive and time-consuming options first, and then it's a battery? It's great. Just great. Alright, you guys, we're not out of the woods quite yet because this thing had a lot of symptoms of a major short or like parasitic draw of some kind, so we're going to come back tomorrow. If it starts again tomorrow, then it was the battery and we solved the problem. But if not, then we got something else going on, and I'm not an idiot. Yeah. Alright, you guys, that was the small project for today. I have two things to talk to you about before I let you go. One is I recently released a video that I worked real hard on and no one watched. So I'm going to show that to you right now. It looks like this. See that? I took the wheel cylinder off my Jeep, and instead of just taking it off like anyone else, I tore it apart so you could see, and I did it in stop motion, which I think is cool, so you should totally check that out. Secondly, we're doing a giveaway, and I told you I'd talk about this, so let's talk about this. Teleport. Okay, like I said, I'm giving away one of these. It's a Dremel. Dremel brand. It's not really a Dremel per se, as you would normally think about it. But what it does is it contains butane in one end and shoots fire out the other. It's really, really good for melting heat shrink, which is what I use it for 95% of the time. And I love it so much that I'm giving one away. Not this one, because this one's old. You're getting a brand new one. It's also super great for soldering things if you're on the trail. And so hopefully I give it to you and it saves your life someday. Anyway, you enter the contest by posting a picture of your Jeep Sheep TV sticker on Facebook. If you don't have a sticker, you need to purchase one. And they're $10, which sounds like a lot. But what you don't know right now is that the sticker is your entry into every contest this month and all contests from here on out. So you buy it once and then you use it to enter all of the contests and you don't have to spend any more money ever again. But you need one because, one, I want you to have a sticker because I think they're cool, and two, it's just a better way for me to do it. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Subscriber month, subscriber appreciation month. Yeah, thank you for being here.